In camping, this is what happens. It's insane. There's so many. There was a real small guy on the bench. They're all leaving now. This was insane. There was like 11 of them. They stole our graham crackers. There's the small guy. There he is. This was just something. It was insane. Just doing a quick video on this. I'm having a little trip in Port Huron to a KOA. So, hope you guys liked this video. These birds were insane. Like, comment, and subscribe, and just like for the birds. Peace out, guys.